Imagine paying just $5 for something that used to cost $50,000. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of the AI revolution hitting the engineering world. A new generation of AI-powered tools is making sophisticated engineering software accessible to everyone. These tools are not just cheaper. They are often more intuitive and powerful than their pricey counterparts. This is a game changer for engineers everywhere. At the forefront of this revolution is Name of the AI tool, a revolutionary AI-powered engineering software available for a mere $5. This tool is not just affordable, it's a game changer in the world of engineering. Imagine having the power of advanced AI at your fingertips, enabling you to create intricate designs and simulations without breaking the bank. Don't let the price fool you. Despite its low cost, Name of the AI tool offers a comprehensive suite of features that are typically found in high-end, expensive software. It's designed to democratize access to top-tier engineering tools, making it possible for anyone, regardless of budget, to innovate and excel. This tool is packed with features that rival, even surpass, those found in traditional engineering software costing thousands of dollars. From advanced simulation capabilities to robust design tools, Name of the AI tool ensures that you have everything you need to bring your engineering projects to life. With Name of the AI tool, you can design, simulate, and analyze complex engineering systems with ease. Its powerful algorithms and user-friendly interface make it an indispensable tool for engineers looking to push the boundaries of innovation. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible to both seasoned engineers and students just starting. Whether you're a veteran in the field or a newcomer eager to learn, Name of the AI tool provides a seamless experience that enhances productivity and fosters creativity. This is more than just software. It's a revolution in engineering. Name of the AI tool is powered by cutting-edge machine learning algorithms. These algorithms have been trained on massive datasets of engineering knowledge and best practices. This allows the tool to provide intelligent suggestions, automate repetitive tasks, and even predict potential design flaws. This level of sophistication was once unimaginable in software costing less than a fancy coffee. Section 4. Real-World Wonders: AI in Action. In this section, we delve into the transformative impact of AI in various engineering fields. From civil engineering to aerospace, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach design and problem-solving. Name of the AI tool is already making waves in the real world. This powerful tool is not just a concept, it's being actively used by engineers and designers to push the boundaries of innovation. Engineers are